here.
Right to the floor.
Feel lucky. No whammy. Stop!
Stop it. Kick back. 5,000 and a spin. Oh. And Jenny's the champ with $10,622. And you're the champ for today. Congratulations. $24,169.
Today, these three players are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter Cymraeg.
Oh, I just wanted to see, there's an applause sign up there that says if you don't applaud, we'll make you eat in the CBS commissary. So I wanted to see how long they go. Hiya, Rod, how are you?
I'm great, Peter. How are you?
Oh, good. You obviously didn't eat there, so you're fine.
That's right.
Well, guess what, Rod? Tomorrow is the big day, the day for the Press Your Luck Home Players Sweepstakes, when one of you right there at home will be taking a spin at our special all-cash big board that could be worth tens of thousands of dollars. And yesterday, Marilyn King of Coronado, California, won herself $1,000. But today, we'll be having our next-to-last daily home player spin to look forward to in our second round. So stay right there. Right now, let's meet the three players looking for the bucks today, starting with Shirley Springer. How are you, Shirley?
Great.
Great, huh? Shirley, you were married. When were you married?
October 31st.
That says Halloween to me. Trick or treat, huh?
I tricked him.
But it was a treat for him.
It was a
all.
great treat.
Great treat. Well, I hope today's a good treat for you, Shirley.
All right.
Good to have you with us. Good luck. Our second player is Stephanie Tasaki, our champ, with $9,078. Stephanie, what are you going to do with the money?
I'm going to spend it. I know exactly what I'm going to spend it on.
Spend it and have a wonderful time, right?
Yes.
Well,
yes.
maybe you'll get some more today.
I hope so.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Third player, Kurt Schoenweiler. How are you, Kurt? Now, Kurt, where are you from?
I'm from Castro Valley, California. It's by Oakland.
I got you. And I understand you have a special ability that you can stand on your head. What is this now?
Yeah, it's something I picked up from a friend in college. I can stand on my head and drink beer. And
you know?
Yeah, and it comes in handy at any party. It's great. I get a lot of phone numbers that way.
Well, good luck today on the show,
Thanks.
Kurt.
All right.
Hopefully there'll be no whammies. It'll be drunk. Maybe we can make some money here. Give me a multiple choice answer, one spin. A buzz and answer gets you 3 spins. Here we go. Playboy clubs will soon feature male waiters along with the female. If the girls are called bunnies, what are these boys called, Shirley?
Rabbits.
Is it rabbits, stallions, or tigers, Stephanie?
I'll say rabbits.
Yeah? Kurt, what do you think it is?
I'll say rabbits.
Those Playboy boys are called, of all things, rabbits. Shirley gets 3, Stephanie a spin, and Kurt a spin. Oh, look at this. The entire crew has just left to go apply for the jobs. Amazing. Second question. According to a recent poll, what fraction of Americans said they would not be willing to pay higher taxes to finance greater welfare benefits? Stephanie?
I'll say 1/2.
Is it 1/2, 1/4, or 3/4? Shirley?
I'll go with 1/2.
What are you going to go with, Kurt?
I'll say 3/4.
The fraction of Americans unwilling to pay more taxes for welfare is 3/4.
Yeah.
And that means Kurt gets a spin and goes to 2. Third question. According to the Kids World Almanac, what is the most frequently sung song in the world? Shirley?
The Star Spangled Banner.
Is it the Star Spangled Banner, Jingle Bells, or Happy Birthday? Stephanie?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. What do you think, Kurt?
I'll go with Happy Birthday.
Thank you again. The most frequently sung song is Happy Birthday. And Stephanie goes to 2, Kurt to 3. Last question. Here we go. This may settle a bar bet. Is the alcoholic content of most wines closer to 6%, 12%, or 18%? Stephanie?
12%.
All right. Is it 12, 6, or 18, Shirley?
12. 12.
What do you think, Kurt?
It's 12%.
Most wines have close to 12% alcohol. Shirley to 4, Stephanie to 5, and Kurt to 4. Stay where you are, because we're coming back with some bucks right after this. Don't go away. We'll be back right after this.
learn more.
All right, you want some money? We got some money. About 50,000 bucks, prizes, goodies, whammies you don't want. You want the prizes, and you want one of our fabulous trips. And our own travel agent, Roddy, is going to tell us about one. Rod?
Okay, Peter, here's a dream that could come true for one of today's contestants. Children of all ages will love 6 days in Florida's Magic Kingdom, Disney World. Experiencing all the thrills and excitement of Walt Disney's Wonderful World, the trip worth over $1,500.
Oh, nice trip, indeed. All right, gang, you want to win this round so you can play last in the final round. You get 4 whammies, you'll be out of the game. And, of course, you know about passing your remaining spins if you so desire. Fewest spins first. When a tie happens, the player to my left is first, Shirley with 4. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Big bucks.
Real big bucks. No whammies. No whammies. Big bucks. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $300. First place, 3 spins. Press or pass.
I'm going. Big bucks. Big bucks. No whammies. No whammies. Stop.
Stop at $400. Avoided the whammy, $700. 2 spins, Shirley.
I'm going. Here we go. Big bucks. No whammies. No whammies. And stop.
Stop.
It's good to have your money back again. Ladies and gentlemen, Tammy, women.
Bang. Well, I left you with 1 spin, Shirley. You want to roll it?
I think I'll take the last one.
Let's do it.
Come on, big bucks. No whammies. I already got them. And stop.
Stop at $525. First place. No more spins. We go to Kurt with 4 spins. You want to do this standing on your head, Kurt, or what?
All right, let's go.
Here
I
we
want to
go.
go. I want to win some money here. All right, come on now. 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 Stop!
Stop. All right. 3 spins left, Kurt.
Okay,
Take it
Peter,
again.
I am going to go. Let's go. Come on. Stop!
Stop at $525. Tied with Shirley. First place. 2 spins,
All right,
Kurt.
let's go. Come on. Let's go. Stop!
Stop at $525.
Yeah.
Double your bucks, $1,050. 1 spin left. Press or
Okay.
pass.
Who can I pass it to?
Go to Shirley. Pass
I want
it.
to pass it to Shirley.
Shirley, it's yours. 1 spin. Are you ready for it?
Here we go. We're going to get a big one. Let's go on a trip. One trip. And stop.
Stop at big bucks. $1,000, Shirley. First place with $1,525. Stephanie, champ, 5 spins up to you.
Okay, all right, come on. Come on, I know that Shannon wants to go to Disney World. Come on, Shannon, stop.
Stop at $500. Third place, 4 spins. Here we go.
Okay. All right, come on, big bucks. Whammy, stay away from me now. Stop.
Stop at $650. $1,150 puts you in second place. 3 spins, Stephanie.
Okay, all right, we're going to play, Peter.
$375, less than
Come on,
Shirley.
big bucks. Come on, honey, be with me now, baby. Stop.
Stop at $300. $1,450. $75 less than Shirley. 2 spins.
Okay, I'm going to go.
Okay.
I'm going to go. Come on, big bucks. Big bucks. Come on, baby. Stop.
Stop at $300. $1,750. First place by $225.
Okay, come on.
Here we go.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on, baby. Stop.
Stop. Go back 2 spaces to $1,500. Shirley, $1,525. Kurt, $1,050. And Stephanie, $3,250. You have first place advantage. We'll be right back after these words. Stay with us.
I have.
All right, are we having a great time? And I know you want more spins because those become bucks. And here are the questions that'll get the spins. You ready? At the present time, what fraction of American college students are women? Kurt.
1/2.
Is it 1/2, 1/4, or 3/4, Shirley?
1/2.
What do you think it is, Stephanie?
I'll say 1/2.
Of American college students, 1/2 are women. Shirley gets a spin. Stephanie a spin. Kurt 3. What's the other half? Staff says we'll check on it. We'll find out. White, whole wheat, or rye? Which one is the most popular bread in the world? Shirley?
Wheat.
Is it wheat, white, or rye? Stephanie?
I'll say white.
What are you going to say, Kurt?
I'll say white.
Most popular bread in the world is white bread, gang. Stephanie goes to 2. Kurt to 4. Another question, here we go. By what name do we know the saying, do unto others as you would have them do unto you? Stephanie.
The golden rule.
Is it the golden rule, the Peter principle, or the Boy Scout oath? Shirley?
The Boy Scout oath.
What do you think it is, Kurt?
The Boy Scout oath.
Audience, what is it? It's the golden rule, gang. It's the golden rule, and Stephanie goes to 5. Don't worry about his... No problem. There's only about 8 million people saw you do that. No problem. What kind of animal is a daddy long legs? Kurt.
Spider.
Is it a spider, a centipede, or a wasp? Shirley?
Spider.
What do you think, Stephanie?
I'll say a spider.
Daddy long legs is a spider, and now that can move it. Shirley to 2, Stephanie to 6, Kurt to 7. Big bucks for these players. Come on back, because we got home players spin as well. There it is.
When I
Network.
Bucks, over $100,000 as usual up there on the big board, and all kinds of wonderful things. Are you ready to do it?
Yes.
I'm ready.
All right, let me take a moment to remind you that one of the spins in this round will be the home player spin. We're going to show you which one it is right now. And so if the contestant who's playing that spin has drawn your card, the spin will be for you. Let's get started and find out who's going to win today's games. And Stephanie, 3250, you play last. Kurt, with 1,050, you play first, 7 spins. You ready?
I am ready.
Big bucks.
Big bucks, here we go. Come on. Big bucks, here we go, here we go. And stop.
Stop.
Give me all your money. Say, give me all your money.
Forget it.
Kurt, you may not win the game, but you may get a contract out of this.
Yeah, this is great.
They're looking to make that a quartet. 6
Let's
spins
roll.
left. Let's do it.
Let's roll. And stop.
Stop at $500. Third place, 5 spins, Kurt.
All right, let's go. I'm going to press my leg. Stop.
Stop at $12.50.
Yeah.
1750 puts you in second place, Kurt.
I want to go. Here we go. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at $600. 2350. 900 less than Stephanie, 3 spins, Kurt.
Peter, I have to go. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at 3,000 and a spin, Kurt. 5350, first place, 3 spins. 2,100 ahead of Stephanie.
One time. Let's go. Stop.
Stop at 750 and a spin. $6,100, 3 spins.
Let's go have 3 spins.
You have about 2,900 more than Stephanie. What are you going to do?
All right, Peter.
Here we go.
All right. I'm gonna go. Here we go. And
Stop it. Go Pat. 2 spaces at $4,000 and a spin, Kurt. 10,100, 3 spins left. Okay, those 3 get back to Stephanie. Not your turn yet, Stephanie. You can think about them for a bit. Shirley, 1525, 2 spins.
Come on.
Let's
good
get big
luck,
bucks.
Good luck. Where are you? We need you. Good luck and stop.
Stop at 3,000 and a spin. There you go. 4525, second place, 2 spins, Shirley.
Okay. No whammies. No whammies.
Press your luck mating call, and it's home player spin time. Shirley, give me the name on the card in front of you, if you
Quinella
please.
Bunkins from Memphis, Tennessee.
Quinella!
Woohoo!
Quinella, grab
Very
some
good,
lucky,
Quinella.
because whatever Shirley wins, you'll also win. If Shirley hits a whammy, you lose all her money, but you get $500 because the whammy's a nice guy. And, of course, if Shirley hits money plus a spin, you'll receive the money, and Shirley gets the money and the spin. Are you ready? Shirley and Quinella.
You bet. Here
we
we
go.
Here we go. Big bucks. Quinella needs some money. No whammies and stop.
Stop it. Move on space, 2,500 or 500 and a spin.
2,500.
$2,500. Quinella, 2,500. Congratulations. We're sending it off to you. Well done. And Shirley, $2,500 added to your total gives you 7,025. Second place, 1 spin, about 3,075 shy of Kurt.
I'm going. I
we
gotta go. Big bucks, no whammies and stop.
Stop it. Pick a corner, 750, Tokyo or the Virgin Islands.
Oh, the Virgin Islands.
Virgin Islands. That trip to the Virgin Islands has a value of $3,623. You are at $10,648, $548 ahead of Kurt, first place. We now go to Stephanie with $32.50 and 3 spins you have to take, Stephanie.
Okay, all right. We got 3 big spins we gotta take. Come on, baby, come on, Shannon. I need all your good luck. Come on, stop.
Stop at $750. $4,000, 2 spins you have to take. There you go.
Okay, all right, big bucks, no whammy. Stay away from me. Come on, stop.
Stop at Snowmobile, Stephanie. That's worth $2,549. You're at $65.49, third place. 1 spin you have to take.
Okay, all right. Come on, big bucks. Come on, big bucks. And stop.
Stop at $2,000, just avoided the whammy. $85.49, third place. Now you have 6 spins. You can press your luck or
Okay,
pass.
we're going.
There you go.
We're going. Come on, Sonny. I love you now, baby. Everybody out there, I need you. Come on, good luck and stop.
Stop at
That's
Stephanie,
all right.
you were on a roll, but you have a lot of spins left.
Right?
Yep.
I've got 5 left. No problem.
All right.
Come on, baby. Come on, big bucks. Come on, big bucks. I need you 5,000 spin. Come on, stop.
Stop at a Mediterranean cruise, Stephanie. That's a beauty. You're at $6,704. 4 spins, you're back in this ball game.
All right. Okay, we're going to go now. Come on. We need 5,000 and a spin. Come on, Sonny. Come on, baby. Stop.
Stop at Tokyo. That trip to Tokyo is another goodie. That's worth $3,698. You're back in second place with $10,402. About $246 less than Shirley. Here we go. Stop at Paris. Stephanie, you're going everywhere. $2,518. $12,920. That's $2,300 more than Shirley. You have 2 spins. What's your pleasure? Here we go, Stephanie.
Play. Come on, baby. Come on, Sonny. Come on, Shannon. Everybody out there, come on. Give me some good luck and stop.
Stop.
Girls, I want to see sweat.
Oh, evidently the whammy wanted all those trips too, Stephanie, but he left you with a spin. Here's the situation. You have 1 spin. If you elect to take it, you'll have to get something with an additional spin to stay in the game. You can pass it to Shirley. If she whammies, Kurt will stand on his head and drink a beer.
Oh, no. We have to go. We have to go.
Here we go, Stephanie and Shirley.
Spins, you guys. We need some spins. Now let's think spins. Everything with some spins and stop.
Stop at $500. It is not enough. And Shirley, you are the champ today with $10,648. Congratulations. We'll come back and talk to you after these words.
Get a jump start on your morning.
We're back with today's big pressure luck winner, Shirley, with $10,648. And the illustrious one, Rod. Roddy's going to tell you and the home player what you both won. Rod.
Yes, I will, Peter. First of all, congratulations to today's home player, Mrs. Quinella Perkins from Memphis, Tennessee. Quinella, we're going to send you $2,500. It's on the way to you now. Now, Shirley, get this. We're going to jet you and your companion round-trip coach from Los Angeles for a 6-night stay, modified American plan, at the luxurious Frenchman's Reef on St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. They'll pamper you and spoil you and leave you with pleasures you'll never forget at the Frenchman's Reef Holiday Inn. Those prizes totaling $3,623, combined with a $7,025 in cash you won. That gives you a grand total, Shirley, of $10,648. Congratulations!
Well done, Shirley. Oh, a small fortune. And Stephanie, you are leaving us with $9,078. Congratulations to you. Kurt, we have some nice prizes so you don't go empty-handed either.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for being with us.
All right.
Before we leave, I need Stephanie and Kurt to give me the names on the cards in front of you. Stephanie, who'd you have?
I have Frank Fletcher from Phoenix, Arizona.
And Kurt, who'd you have?
I had Mrs. Doris DeWall from Westminster, California.
All right, Frank and Doris, sorry you didn't get the lucky spin today, but you are in on the big Pressure Luck Sweepstakes spin, and you can still be our big winner of tens of thousands of dollars. That's tomorrow. But in the meantime, here is a highly fashionable no whammy t-shirt for each one of you. We're going to send it off with our best wishes. Congratulations. Until next time, this is Peter Tomarkin. Thanks for pressing your luck. Bye-bye.